Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to build your own agent in Copilot. Agents extend the capabilities of Microsoft 365 Copilot by letting you customize your Copilot experience to fit your specific needs. But you don't need to coding skills or the advanced technical training to build your own agents. So how do we do it? You can build your agent using a prompt. That's very simple. So you need to open the Microsoft 365 application, Copilot app, and navigate pane under agent, then select new agent. Describe what you want the agent to do and then click send. For example, help me create a detailed career development plan based on my current role and future goals. Then follow the prompt to create your agent. You can build your agent using a template as well. So you can browse the Microsoft Copilot app and navigate pane under agents and select new agent and select the template from the list. There is Career Coach. Career Coach offers personalized career advices, customer insight assistance that is designed to help the team get to know their customer insights in details. Idea Coach, interview questions assistant, and learning coach. Once the right side of the screen, once on the right side on the screen select one of the suggestions to test or chat with your agent and press send. Here are the actual suggestions that you can choose. You can show me 3 good prompt examples. And if you want to customize your agent, select configure. And when satisfied, click on create. And your agent should be in the sidebar here within the other agent that you'll have. So all you need to do is to start right now. Go ahead and open your Copilot and start prompting until you find your best agent, or you can choose one from the template that they already made for you. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.